My name is Abhishek. I worked in three factories. I worked on injection raw material section. I have done the processing inspection of products with the dimension analysis. I have also worked for the client, different multinational companies. I have been doing the documentation. I am going to give a short study on the industry setup. I will be discussing on the Firebase Studio. I will be giving the small app. First, I will give the purchase project. There is a purchase department in every factory. I will be giving short project on it. Now we get the app. In that app, we will get the different parameters and the details. There are different files, and also we use the different software for the purchase. With the help of different software, we create the. Now there is a dashboard. In dashboard, we can also do the purchase for the production. After that, we can get the bills and the payment detail also. Now we will get the app. After that, there is a jar project. We are making the jar in the production. There are different parameters. We can get a short app from the files. Now there is a second app project on the containers we get from the machines. In few seconds, you will get the final result. There will be some forms. Now there is dimension important during but we can put them in my next thing also. There is a variation analysis also. Then after clicking on the analyze variation, we will get the results. Then there is factories. In factories, we make different forms for it. Then there are different department hiring also there. Now there is output. We will get the results. There is small map. Factory details are there. It actually not work. Now we will switch to the project. Now we are making the charger from the machines. There is a small charger protect. Then we will put the electronic part in it. Then it will work. There are different measurement of it. There is the length, width, height is also there. We can use the Vernier caliper for the measurement of different dimensions of a charger from the machines. They are reading also thickness. There we are using a special instrument for the thickness. Now we will get the results. There is a problem. Now we will switch to another project. After deleting the previous project, I will go to the new project. I will discussing the audit project in a factory. In audit, we do different examination of the data and the results with the different teams. Now there will be some we perform with the special and the experienced team. Now we will get the result. We will get the data visualization. Also, we can compare the data. We can take the data from the different department. We can put it, and we can study it with the different people, like senior managers and heads. Now we can see that there we can upload and analyze the audit report. By selecting the file, we can analyze the report. Now we are going to different project. Now there is an injection molding source project. Now I have put in some detail. We can get the sheets. There is a data, then visualization is there. We can take the data from the PLC. We can study it. We can show it on the presentation. It is loading. We will get the results. Then there is the account project. There is the account section in every factory. We can get the bills. We can hire the people. We can buy the machinery and the supporting. There is a visualization. PLC data visualization is there. Some mold present cycle and the temperature is also there. It is from the molding machine. For a plastic product, there is a requirement of high temperature. There is a high temperature in the mold. Then we get the products. It is around the 5 and 600. For high density polymer, there is a more temperature like 200 and 1000 is also there. Now account project is there. We will get the results. We have the ERP. We have put the different data in it. Then we hire the people, contractors, and the local bodies. Then there is vendor cash is also taxation is also there. With the different tax for the different types of products, purchases, and the orders. Sometimes clients take the tax also. They are taxed according to the different governments and the different type of industries. It is loading. We will get the results. It actually not work. We will switch to the different department. Then there is the printing and labeling section is also there. When we get the product, we do the printing and the labeling. Now we will get the output. Now there is a supply from the production team. Then some documents are there for the product. According to them, we do the processing of the products on the machines. Then there is R&D and NPD department in the different factories. They hire special people from different qualification background. Now there is info, but it is not related. Now we are switching to the phone list. Now there are different tools for the new product development. Planning is also there. There is a daily progress in the plan is also there. Complaint handling is also there from the client for the different products from the machines, and also from the secondary section there are meetings from the different departments heads and the clients. Now there is output. Now there is supply chain department. We get different products machines from the different countries, regions, and regions. Then they are taken into the supply chain. After that, it is taken to the production to the different departments. There are separate team and the people that take care of the things in the supply chain. We will also get the result on the studio after putting the data in it. Here we can see the screen, but it is giving the error. Now there is a supply chain project. We will get the output. There is a signing and the billing also there to the different offices. Also, there is a forecasting of the projects and the requirement on the different platforms. Here is the output. We will get a page. Now it is ended. This is supply chain or optimizer. There are dashboard winding also there, costing is also there. Then average order, there are some examples are there. Then dispatch time is also there. Then we can take also action sharing data and auto billing is also there by putting the different information on it. We can get the bills.